Okay, so we're making a marigold necklace for Max's wedding, and you can see it's very easy. All you do is, once you cut the marigolds, oh wow, they smell delicious, absolutely positively delicious, Maxus Meridius, and you're just gonna go through them like this, and this will make the best Mendi necklace you will ever want. Just don't get tangled up like I just did there, like a visual or snakes. Okay, so make sure you put them in both ways, and we just go, and I'll do this and then I'll show you. Okay, so there are our flowers. Let us know in the comments if you can count and let us know how many they are. We might let you know at the end of this video how many we used. It's a lot more than you think. So we're just going to tie the knot up here, which is very difficult for some reason, but I'll get there. Come on. That is our necklace there. Okay, we'll put it onto Max now. Wait. Max, no. Happy birthday, Max. Happy marriage. Where's your bride? Where's your bride? Where's your bride, Max? Okay, go on. Okay, bye. Go on, go. Go and bring your bride. Hey, don't eat it. Come here. Come on. You smell nice now, Max. Should have put them all the way around. Oh, Max, come here. Come here. Hello. What's this?